Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Chrysler Town and Country key fob, updated. Pry open the fob seam gently with a flathead screwdriver, separate the halves, and note battery orientation. Remove the old CR 2032 cell with care and dispose of it properly. Insert the new cell with the positive side up, align the halves, and snap them back together. Test locking and unlocking before finishing and store spare batteries safely. Follow these steps slowly and confidently so you don't damage the fob. First, remove the mechanical key and any covers that hide the notch. Insert the flathead into the seam and twist gently until the halves separate. Note how the battery sits, then lift it out with your tool or fingernail. Place the new CR 2032 battery in the same orientation and press the halves together until they click back into place. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and make your ride smell great after handling batteries and grease. See the description for the link and other deals that help you maintain your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Once reassembled, test each button to confirm signal strength and range. Walk a short distance while testing. If buttons are unresponsive, reopen the fob and clean the metal contacts with a dry cloth before reseating the battery. Avoid touching the battery surface with oily fingers to preserve performance. Store spares in a cool place and note the battery type so you can replace it quickly next time without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.